Hey guys, welcome back to Miss Cheyenne's Shorty Recipes. Thanks again you guys for joining me for yet another quick and easy recipe. Merry Cookmas Day 22. The time is almost here. Thank you for hanging out with me for Cookmas, where I've been giving you guys daily videos for the holiday season throughout the month of December. Today's recipe is going to be for my coffee lovers, or for those that just like to dunk a good cookie. We're gonna go ahead and make some tasty coffee cookies. So not only are these cookies perfect for dunking in your coffee, they're also flavored with a slight hint of coffee. So whether if you do like to dunk it in your coffee, your tea, or your milk, it's going to add a wonderful taste to whatever you choose to dunk that cookie in. So hopefully you guys are ready for today's recipe. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Share this video out. Definitely appreciate that. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please go ahead, hit that subscribe button and the bell to be notified every time I drop a new video, especially during Cookmas. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay guys, so here are the coffee cookies. They were so delicious. Within every bite I could taste a little hint of that coffee. Definitely a cookie that is ready to be dunked into something. So hopefully guys did enjoy today's recipe. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. I also go ahead and drop me a comment down below. Let me know if you do love your coffee. Share this video out. I definitely appreciate that. Thank you so much. And if you aren't subscribed, please go ahead, hit that subscribe button and the bell to be notified every time I drop a new video, especially during Cookmas. You guys take care and thanks for watching. Bye guys.